You're busy, I get it. That's why in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a beautiful brand in under 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. We'll design a great logo together, choose some complementary brand colors and fonts, and even design our first Instagram feed post to promote our beautiful new brand. Yes, I'm gonna do all of this in under 5 minutes. Let's go. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I promise practical advice to build your brand. Today we're talking about building your brand with speed, but still precision. A logo, some color and fonts, and even an Instagram post all in under 5 minutes. I'm doing this experiment today using Adobe Express, which is my favorite platform, browser and web app, to create standout content quickly. Adobe Express has a free plan, which is incredible. I'll link to that in the description. We're gonna put a clock on the screen to hold me accountable. Okay, and let's begin. First, we're gonna design a logo. This is gonna be my flower shop business, and we're gonna call it Phil's Flowers. Let's capitalize that F. We gotta go fast. If we had a slogan, we could add one here, but in this case, I don't, so we'll click next. I'm gonna choose a style that I like. Adobe Express gives me 4 different styles. Let's go with elegant for this example. I'll click next. Now I'm gonna choose an icon that I think represents my business. Well, we gotta move fast, so I'm gonna select this one right here, like a little daisy. Literally in seconds, it's already giving me some ideas on an elegant logo for my new business. I'm going to choose one that I like to start with. Let's go ahead and click this one. I think this is looking cute. We can also scroll down here and see how this starting logo might look on web, on a t-shirt, or on social media. I can also adjust here if I want to change some color styles. I can just click through this and it will give me lots of ideas as well as font variations until I land on something that I like. And if I'm happy with what I have, I can click the download button, or I can click customize more, which will bring me right into Adobe Express. We'll come back here in just a minute. I want to hop over to another tool that I love called Adobe Color, and it works very well with Express. So I can actually start here with some color rules, applying color harmony rules, or my favorite, and I'm doing this quickly, is to extract a color theme from a photo. So I'm going to upload a photo here, and I can actually just choose on style here, bright, muted, deep. I'm going to go with bright. This is a palette that's looking awesome. I can click save and save this to my libraries. I can also paste this over by selecting these values here over to Express. Really easy. So click colors and then paste your styles right here. Let's navigate back to our dashboard. I can go ahead here and click brands, and I'm going to create a new brand to get this brand set up quickly in Express. I will upload my logo, set my colors that we just chose using Adobe Color, and then choose some fonts. Because we're in a time crunch, I'm going to skip this step, and we're going to go straight to choosing colors and then some fonts. So I'll just choose something quickly right now, and we can always make that better later. Enter my business's name. And we're off to a great start. Now, if I want to choose some other styles here, I recommend clicking open the Fonts tab and going to Suggested Pairings. Since we're in a time crunch, this is going to help you pick a really beautiful pair quickly. And once you fill out your new brands tab, it might look something like this. Now, we don't have a lot of time to spare, so I'm gonna click this plus sign, and let's say in the few minutes we have left, we're gonna design an Instagram post to announce our business. Let's say we're gonna have a flower sale. So rather than starting with a blank canvas here, which is gonna take a while, I'm actually just gonna scroll through here quickly and find a template that I like for an Instagram post. That's one of my favorite things about Express, is the ability to start from a beautiful template. I'm gonna upload an image of myself just to get this going. Obviously, I can customize this later, but let me show you one of my favorite tricks in Express to save time. Under the design panel, make sure that you are on the right brand. I'll switch to the one that we just created. We can, in a single click, apply our new brand. You can click it and it's going to adjust the styles based on that. I love how that looks. Obviously, I can customize this further, but I wanted to show you this ability to apply a brand in a single click is awesome. One of the many things that makes Express amazing. Woof, and under the time limit too. Okay, now I can breathe. Here is our logo, and here are our colors, and our fonts, and our Instagram post. And for the record, I recommend taking more than 5 minutes to build out your brand. The point of today is to really show you that you can do this quicker than you might expect, and in Adobe Express, which I'm a proud ambassador for. Adobe Express really brings the sophistication of Adobe and its flagship apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, InDesign, but without all of the overwhelm, so that you don't need a graphic designer to create standout content. You can be a busy entrepreneur or a small business and lean on this tool without any expertise in graphic design for help when it comes to showing up online. Express has a free plan, and I'll link to that below. And if you've got any lingering questions, go ahead and comment. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. I respond to those personally. And if you enjoy this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm sharing a few videos I think you'll be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching. Those are coming up next.